At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a lingerie business can be exciting and rewarding, but it also requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Begin by researching the lingerie market to understand your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. Identify gaps in the market that your business can fill, whether it's through unique designs, pricing strategies, or target demographics. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, target market, marketing strategy, pricing, financial projections, and operational plan. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and can be useful when seeking financing or partnerships. 3. Legal considerations. Decide on the legal structure of your business, e.g., sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, and register your business name. Obtain any necessary permits or licenses required to operate a lingerie business in your area. 4. Supplier relationships. Research and establish relationships with lingerie manufacturers or suppliers. Consider factors such as quality, pricing, minimum order quantities, and shipping times when choosing suppliers. 5. Product selection. Curate a selection of lingerie products that align with your target market's preferences and needs. Consider offering a variety of styles, sizes, and price points to appeal to a diverse customer base. 6. Branding and marketing. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Create a visually appealing logo, website, and packaging that reflect your brand's aesthetic. Implement marketing strategies such as social media marketing, influencer partnerships, email marketing, and SEO to attract customers and build brand awareness. 7. E-commerce platform. Set up an e-commerce website or online store to sell your lingerie products. Choose a user-friendly platform that offers secure payment processing and integrates with inventory management systems. 8. Inventory management. Implement an inventory management system to track your lingerie inventory, monitor sales trends, and replenish stock as needed. This will help you optimize inventory levels and avoid stockouts or overstocking. 9. Customer service. Provide exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Offer fast and responsive customer support, easy returns and exchanges, and personalized shopping experiences whenever possible. 10. Launch and iterate. Launch your lingerie business and monitor its performance closely. Gather feedback from customers and analyze sales data to identify areas for improvement. Continuously iterate and refine your products, marketing strategies, and operations to adapt to changing market conditions and customer preferences. Remember that starting a lingerie business requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. Stay focused on your goals, be willing to learn from both successes and failures, and don't be afraid to pivot or adjust your strategy as needed. Good luck! Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.